Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 3 for CBSE Board, chapter number 15 Probability. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some more examples from exercise 15.1, question number 10. A piggy bank contains 100 50 paise coins, 50 rupees 1 coin, 50 rupees 1 coin, 20 rupees 2 coins, and 10 rupees and 10 rupees 5 coins. If if it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin number 1 will be a 50 paise coin, number 2 will not be a 5 rupees coin? Okay, now try to understand solution. A piggy bank contains 100 50 paise coins, 50 rupees 1 coins, 20 rupees 2 coins, and 10 rupees 5 coins. So in all, bank contains 180 coins, and therefore possible outcomes are 180. Let A be the event of getting 50 paise coin. So therefore favorable outcomes for event A are 100, and therefore PA, that is probability, is equal to favorable outcomes for event A upon possible outcomes of the experiment, and is equal to 100 upon 180 and is equal to 5 upon 9. Let B be the event of getting rupees 5 coins. So PB is equal to 10 upon 180 is equal to 10 upon 180. Okay, so that is equal to 1 upon 18, but for calculation purpose I keep this as it is. Let B be the event of getting not rupees 5 coins, and therefore PB bar is equal to 1 minus PB and is equal to 1 minus 10 upon 180. So is equal to 180 minus 10, that is 170 upon 180, and hence probability for even B bar is equal to 17 upon 18. Okay. Question number 11. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that fish taken out is a male fish? Okay. Solution. In all, there are 5 plus 8, 13 fish in a tank, and shopkeeper takes out one fish at random, and therefore possible outcomes for this experiment are 13. Let A be the event of getting a male fish, and therefore favorable outcomes for event A are 5, and therefore probability PA is equal to favorable outcomes upon possible outcomes is equal to 5 upon 13. Question number 12. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to the rest pointing at one of the number, which comes to rest pointing at one of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at number 1, 8, number 2, an odd number, number 3, and a number greater than 2. Number 4, a number less than 9. Okay. Solution. In this experiment, there are 8 numbers and therefore possible outcomes are 8. Let A be the event that pointing number 8 and therefore favorable outcomes is 1 and hence PA is equal to 1 upon 8. Answer number 1. Let B be the event that pointing an odd numbers. So there are 1, 3, 5, 7, 4 odd numbers. So therefore favorable outcomes are 4 and hence PB is equal to 4 upon 8 and that is equal to 1 upon 2. Number 2. Let C be the event of getting a number greater than 2. So there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 numbers and therefore favorable outcomes are 6 and hence PC is equal to 6 upon 8 that is 3 upon 4. Third number. Let D be the event of pointing a number less than 9. So there are 8 numbers which are less than 9 and hence favorable outcomes are 8 and hence PD probability is equal to 8 upon 8 and is equal to 1. Okay, so that is sure event. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.